Let's make a fabric bow lip balm chapstick holder. This cute and practical accessory is a perfect way to use up any fabric scraps. It clips right on your bag so you'll never lose your chapstick again. Materials needed are scissors, glue, fabric, thread and sewing machine, sewing pins and or clips, a round purse clip of your choice, a ruler, a writing utensil, an iron and ironing board, and lip balm. Step 1. Cut the fabric. Cut out the following dimensions from your fabric. For the bow base, cut 2 pieces of 24 by 2.5 inches. For the pocket, cut 1 piece of 9 by 2.5 inches. For the bow center, cut 1 piece of 4 by 2 inches. Step 2. The pocket. Fold the 9-inch by 2.5 inch pocket piece in half widthwise. You should now have a folded rectangle measuring 4.5 by 2.5 inches. Iron the fold flat. Sew across the folded edge using a longer top stitch. Step 3. Layering the pieces. Lay 1 bow base strip flat with the pattern facing up in front of you. Place the pocket on top of one end, aligning the raw edges with the bottom and sides of the base. Place the second bow base strip on top, right side facing down. Pin or clip in place. Step 4. The bow ends. On one short end, measure 2 inches up from the bottom corner along the long side and make a mark. Draw a diagonal line from that mark to the opposite bottom corner. Cut along this line. Repeat this on the other end of the strip. Your long side should now measure 24 inches on one side and 20 inches on the other. Step 5. Sew the edges. Sew around the entire edge of your layered fabric. Leave a 3-inch opening in the middle of one long edge for turning. Step 6. Clip the corners of the points. Be careful not to cut the stitches. Turn the fabric right side out through the 3-inch opening. Use a pencil or paintbrush to gently push the points out. Step 7. Iron. Tuck the raw edges of the opening inwards and iron the entire piece flat. Step 8. Top stitch. Using a longer stitch length, sew a 1/4 inch hem around the entire edge of the fabric. This closes the opening and gives it a finished look. Step 9. The bow center. Take the 4 by 2 inch fabric piece, fold it in half lengthwise and iron a crease. Open it and fold both long, raw edges inward to meet the center crease. Fold in half again and iron flat. You now have a finished strip measuring 4 by 0.5 inches. Step 10. Sew the bow center. Using the longer stitch, sew both long sides of the bow center. Step 11. Folding the bow base. Fold the long base piece in half to find the center. Measure 3 inches to the left and 3 inches to the right of that center mark. Fold the ends inward at a slight downward angle towards the center. The top horizontal loop portion of the bow should measure 6 inches across. Step 12. Accordion the center. Find the center of the bow. Fold the fabric back and forth until you achieve your desired bow scrunch. I folded the front and back piece 4 times. Place the sewing clip in the center of the bow to hold it in place. Step 13. Secure the center. Taking your thread, tie a knot in the center of the bow. Wrap the thread around the center 10 to 15 times. Tie the thread in a loop knot until it feels secure. Step 14. Adding the bow center. Glue one end of the center strip to the back of the bow. Wait until dry. Loop the remaining strip over the front of the bow. Depending on your type of clip, you may need to add the clip to the center fabric now. Glue the fabric strip in place and cut off the extra. Step 15. Add your clip and lip balm. If you did not in the previous step, attach your clip to the bow center. Add your lip balm to the pocket. For more detailed instructions and photograph references, check out the tutorial on the Create Within Reach blog. Happy crafting!